everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Maggie. Today's another DIY. As you can see, I've got some wooden blocks that I've assembled them into words. These blocks are for my kids that they no longer play with, so I asked them if I can play with them and they say yes. So I'm going to turn them into farmhouse seasonal words. I'm going to give them a makeover. I'm going to paint the outer edge all white and all the letters in black. You can use chalk paint or regular water paint. The white, I used white chalk paint, and for the black I just used watercolor. They sell them at Walmart for like $1. So I'm going to paint all the wooden blocks and then I'm going to assemble them into words, and I'll show you in the end what they look like. This is really simple and easy, super quick DIY. It didn't cost me much, because I already have the paint and everything on hand, so, but I do know that they sell these wooden blocks, smaller ones at Dollar Tree, so you can go look there if you don't already have these wooden blocks. So now all the blocks are painted and dry. We're going to assemble them into words. We got Easter, summer, spring, fall, harvest, autumn, winter, I was going to spell pumpkin, but for some reason I don't have any P's. 2 P's have been missing from the set, so I don't have pumpkin. So these are the results of the wooden block letters. I think it turned out super cute and super easy and very affordable. So much fun. I would love to hear what you think. Let me know in the comment down below, and then we'll move on to our second DIY. Moving on to our next DIY, you're going to need one of this hanging sign. We're going to take the backings off and give it a coat of white paint, like so. And then you also need some wooden letters. I am not good with freehand, so I'm gonna trace the letters onto the wooden piece and we're gonna paint it. First, we're going to assemble the letters on the wood piece. Make sure that it's even and not crooked. Then we're going to use a pencil to trace the letter onto the wood, and then we're going to give it a nice coat of green. It's like an army green. I can decide between black and green, so my 8-year-old says, "Mommy, do green." It's his favorite color, so I'm going to do green. Right here I'm showing you that I'm tracing it. The last letter is supposed to be an L, but I've used 2 of my L's, so I'm going to improvise. I'm using an upside down F and just trying to make it work, and it turned out fine. We're going to paint them like so. You can paint any colors that you like, Okay, so once you're done, I'm using leftover paint on my brush to kind of dry brush underneath the words, make it look like, you know, dirt. And that's pretty much it. Once the paint all dry, we're going to flip the sign over, and we're going to use popsicle stick to hold the two signs together. You want to trim the ends of the popsicle stick because they are kind of long, and then we're just going to use hot glue to glue it together. I hope you guys enjoy this super easy and super quick DIYs. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Until next time, bye.